Welcome to the OncoAlert eCancer Daily Roundup, recapping day 3 of the Congress. Starting with the biggest news, a heartfelt congratulations to the heart and soul of our network, the great Dr. Tony Choueiri, on the presentation of the practice-changing results of Keynote 564 at the ASCO plenary. Post-nephrectomy adjuvant pembrolizumab in renal cell carcinoma. This is the first positive phase 3 study of adjuvant immunotherapy for patients with renal cell cancer, and results support pembro as a potential new standard of care in the adjuvant treatment of renal cell carcinoma. The 24-month DFS rate was 77.3% with pembro compared to 68.1% with placebo. The long-awaited Olympia trial in breast cancer, 1 year of adjuvant olaparib, resulted in significant improvement in invasive disease-free survival and distant disease-free survival in GBRCA high-risk breast cancer. The 3-year invasive disease-free survival and distant disease-free survival rates were 85.9% and 87.5% respectively in patients treated with olaparib, and 77.1% and 80.4% in patients treated with placebo. Findings suggested that there is a need for genetic testing for BRCA mutations in patients diagnosed with high-risk early-stage breast cancer. The VISION trial. PSMA 617 is a new standard of care in PSMA-positive metastatic prostate cancer with prile-noble androgen therapy inhibitions plus taxane, showing a reduction in progression by 60% and death by 38%. Interim analysis of Relativity 047, the first phase 3 trial exploring the benefit of LAG-3 blocking by combining relatlimab to nivolumab, shows improved PFS as compared to nivolumab monotherapy in advanced melanoma. The JUPITER double-blind phase 3 trial, toripalimab atop chemotherapy, is presented at the ASCO annual plenary session as a potential new standard of care in recurrent metastatic nasopharyngeal carcinoma. First-line results from Checkmate 648 trial, nivolumab plus chemotherapy and nivolumab plus ipilimumab, improve overall survival in advanced esophageal squamous cell carcinoma. This could represent a potential first-line standard of care for these patients. We end up with a great question from a colleague from Brazil. Why is there a difference in translating clinical trial results to clinical practice depending on subspecialties? Comparing the results from the Olympia to those of ADAURA, where are similar results considered practice-changing in breast cancer, but not in lung cancer? That's it for your daily roundup. Sending you our best and hope you continue to enjoy a great day of science at ASCO21.